We'll go with some more problems to find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent, and also find the slope of the tangent. So to start, write for the given curve, that is r is equals to a into sine 3 theta. At the pole, they are saying, at the pole means, okay, that is at the point O. That time what will be theta value? Exactly on the point O, what will be the angle? The angle will be 0. Okay. So theta, I will take it as 0. When they say at the pole means you have to take theta as 0. So taking log on both sides, we will get log r is equals to log of a into sine theta. It is a product of two functions, so this becomes log a plus log of sine 3 theta. That will be equation number 2. Okay. There is further simplification is not possible. So now start differentiating with respect to theta. So differentiation of log r is equals to differentiation of log a plus differentiation of log of sine 3 theta. So when we are differentiating log r, it is as good as log x differentiation or log u differentiation, that is 1 by u into differentiation of u with respect to theta. A is constant, so log a derivative is 0 because log a is also acting as a constant. Derivative of log of sine 3 theta, it is as good as log u derivative, that is 1 by u into differentiation of u. That is 1 by r into dr by d theta is equals to 1 upon sine 3 theta. As we know that differentiation of sine ax is what? A into cos ax. In place of a it is 3, in place of x it is theta. So it will become 3 cos 3 theta. So further to simplify, 1 by r dr by d theta will remain as it is. 3 cos 3 theta upon sine 3 theta will become cot 3 theta. Therefore cot phi is equals to 3 cot 3 theta. We cannot take this 3 inside, please. Okay, it's not the minus sign. And you cannot cancel cot and cot because 3 into it is. So do not cancel cot function. Am I getting phi purely? No. With phi there is a cot function, so that is not pure phi. And I cannot shift that also. So if I have to get a clue, I had told you at the pole means theta is 0. So substitute theta as 0 in this expression to get purely phi. So at theta is equals to 0, cot phi will become 3 into cot of 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Okay. So cot 0 is how much? As we know that tan 0 is how much? 0. And cot is nothing but 1 by tan. So tan 0 is 0 means 1 upon 0 is how much? Infinity. So cot 0 is infinity. And infinity into anything is what? Infinity, right? So cot phi has come infinity. Then what I want exactly? Phi. So shift this cot this side. So it will become cot inverse of infinity. And cot inverse of infinity is how much? 0. Because cot 0 is infinity. When cot comes this side, it will become cot inverse. And cot inverse of infinity is how much? 0. Hence phi is 0. Now we are going to compute for slope of the tangent. So to compute for the slope of the tangent, consider psi is equals to theta plus phi. Theta is how much? 0. Phi is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is psi. This is not your answer. So slope of the tangent is given by tan psi. So take tan on both sides. So tan psi is equals to tan 0. And tan 0 is 0. Hence the slope of the tangent to the given curve at the pole is 0. Is it okay? So this way we are finding for the slope of the tangent. Thank you.